This is a weird looking instrument and I'll show you what it sounds like and how it's played in a bit. This is Mohsen. Before the war, he provided for his family by farming his land in Gaza. Today, that land is gone along with his house. And now he's living in his tent with his wife and 4 children, all under 5 years old. And not just that, he has a terrible back injury that literally prevents him from working. And I thought I had a rough life. Look, his children and his family need food, clothes, diaper. Imagine as a father and a mother not being able to provide for your children the basics. But still, he wants to thank you because you're helping them just by watching this video. Don't just like it, leave a comment, reply to other people's comments. It really helps them reach more people. Scan this QR code on my face to get to their fundraiser and donate if you can. Now, let me show you what I promised at the start of the video.